Hi friends! Today I want to share with you my Ozoni recipe. Ozoni is a rice cake soup eaten on the New Year's morning to celebrate the Happy New Year. The first meal of the year will be Ozoni almost always. I hope you like it. Let's get started. Peel the daikon and carrot, cut into strips along the grain. In this way, the vegetables won't lose their texture. I always pre-boil the more vegetables I need for the next day and the next day. Because we enjoy the Ozoni for the first 3 days of the New Year morning. Maybe that is my family's tradition, but I believe a lot of families doing like this. And you can save your time spent in your kitchen. Scrape the skin of the burdock roots under the running cold water. Cut into strips as well and release in the water to remove the harshness. Now let's reboil the vegetables. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Start cooking from the firm vegetables. Cook burdock roots for 2 minutes and then add in carrot. Cook a few minutes more. Add in daikon and cook a couple of minutes more. Drain and set aside until use. Next, let's make dashi. Today I make dashi from the thick sliced katsuobushi, but you can use any katsuobushi you have on your hand. As I said in the previous video, the dashi recovers your body from the fatigue. I heard that the professional baseball player of SoftBank Hawks won the championship 3 straight years in Japan, drink dashi after the training. Dashi is that powerful. Season with light soy sauce. You can replace it with regular soy sauce, of course. In the Kansai area where I live, prefer the light color to the dashi. But there's no problem using a regular soy sauce. While we are working on the soup, cook mochi, rice cake in the toaster oven until golden brown for 3 to 4 minutes. Pour a scoop of soup into a serving bowl and then put the cooked mochi on it. What this does is prevent the mochi from sticking to the bottom of the bowl. Pour in the soup as much as you want. This is optional but top with Ikura salmon roll, Mitsuba leaves and Yuzu peel. Put the lid on to pack the aroma of Yuzu and Dashi, and serve immediately. Let me taste. When you take off the lid, all the aroma will come out and it smells so good. The dashi is so comforting. For us, it's the smell of the new year. The mochi is so chewy and stretchy, it soaks up the delicious dashi and it tastes so good. But enjoy it slowly to avoid choking yourself. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I am using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!